This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable the energy saver mode in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To enable or disable the energy saver mode in Windows 11, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to my taskbar down here, down to my little start icon. I'm going to right click on the start icon. Then I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to click on System. Then on the center pane, you want to go down to where it says Power, and click on Power. And then right in here, Energy Saver. It says it reduces power consumption and increases battery life by limiting some background activities. As you can see, mine is currently turned off. I'm going to click on it. Now another line opens up, says always use energy saver. I have mine turned off, but to enable it, I would just enable this here. And to disable it, I would toggle that off. That is how to enable or disable the energy saver mode in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.